Hello everyone, welcome to Unlock Apple, and today I'm going to show you two iPhones on your screen. I have just received these iPhones as I was receiving a lot of requests for different iOSs and different iPhones. So right now, one iPhone, we have iPhone X, and another iPhone we are using iPhone SE. So two different iPhones with two different iOS inside, and the logic is we're going to try to unlock these iPhones free of cost without paying to anyone. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe this channel if you haven't yet, and don't forget to like this video as here, and share it and comment your problems according to your problem. I'll be more than happy to help you for 100% free, and this channel does not ask any money from anyone, so do not get scammed by anyone and ignore all scam or spam messages coming into comments asking for money, or just don't fall for them. Now we're going to start. We are going to follow the same procedure for all iPhones, iPad and iPods. So as I do, you do the same, you get 100% results. If you skip or miss anything, you won't get 100% result. That means you won't get your iCloud and your iPhone unlock. You choose your language, as I said one more time, the language you understand, what is easy for you to read. You choose that language. For me right now, I'm choosing English language. And here I am in UK, so you are going to choose your home country. If you are living in any country on the list, you have to choose your country. I'm trying to make simple as possible for everyone, so you will have less questions to ask. Once you choose your own home country, you click your home country, and without Wi-Fi this thing is not going to be possible in this video. So as normal, you have to connect your iPhone or iPad or iPod or Apple Watch with normal internet connection. That can be your hotspot, that can be your Wi-Fi, that can be your free Wi-Fi with password, without password. Main thing is you need an internet connection. For me to do the same steps for both iPhones is just to make sure that the procedure I'm trying is going to work for everyone, not only for one iPhone. For all kind of iPhones you will get the same results. One iPhone is connected with Wi-Fi already with internet, and second one we are trying to connect. Once you do that, if you don't have a password, is alright. Main thing is connected. Pressing next button. First we want to see these iPhones are really iCloud lock or not. Okay, one iPhone you see on your screen, it is iCloud lock, and second one appears as well. So just to make more clear, I'm going to make it more. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to add very special information into these iPhones. How we're going to do it? You have to do the same exactly thing. It will not cost you anything, as we are not going to pay anything for any verification. So go into your home Wi-Fi information I button. Once you do that, you go to your configure proxy, automatic. Once you click on automatic, here for everyone I'm going to give you, first thing you have to write down here is percentage sign 3 times. Once you put this percentage sign 3 times, you're going to write down here 309110. 309110. Once you do that, you press 3 times percentage sign one more time, and here you're writing at button. I'm sure this is clear for everybody what I write. So if you have an iPad, you're going into your configure proxy and you're going to write down in URL this thing. Now pressing save. We press save here, we press save here. Configure proxy, right now it's coming automatic in this phone, automatic. One more time you go inside just to see it is safe. Once you save, you go to back, one more time back. Once you do this, you press done button here, done button here. From here you go to start again button, and here you do the same thing. Once you go to start button, you go to your language again. Do not choose language what I choose, you choose your language. Okay, you choose your country. If you are from India, from USA, you press USA or you press India. You press setup manual, you press same thing. Once you do that, you see we are going to the second step now. In this second step, we will find out more information what we really have to add. It is taking long, it can take very long, but we have to make sure it is connected with very good and fast internet connection. You see, it is taking very long. Sometimes you wait few seconds, sometimes you wait few minutes, but not more than 20 minutes you cannot wait. If it goes more than 20 minutes, you restart your phone and you go to main screen and you start from there. Right now, both iPhones are taking long. The logic behind this is the percent buttons we press there, that is the main logic. Now what we do, we go back to start again button. You see how long it is keep moving. I am sure the thing we are trying to get, we get already. Okay, here after you go to main screen, you go to emergency call again. Okay, once you go to emergency call again, you write here star 30911 0. Once you do that, you press the hash button and you press dial. Once you press the dial, we see what will happen next. We keep pressing dial till the time we will see something different. I understand sometimes it can take long, but we need to make our all Apple devices free from iCloud. So on that time you can use new Apple account. Even you have disabled Apple ID, you still do the same thing. Once you do that, you press cancel here cancel here. You press your language, you press your country, not what I put. Okay, setup manual, and now you see what we are trying to get. If we get, or it will take really long. We wait 30 seconds. If we see it's taking long, then we go to the last step. Now few seconds already, we click the Wi-Fi settings. Once we click Wi-Fi settings, we click our internet, we forget our network. Once we forget our network, it comes back. We click our network, we press our password, we know, and we join. Here same. Okay, we press done. We wait here, we wait here, we wait in both iPhones what we are getting. Sometime it take very long, sometime it may. Okay, go one time, check inside, come back, done. This one, same thing we do. As I said before, if sometime it may take very long, the only thing you can do the best is go to shut down your iPhone. Both iPhones you can shut down, and after few seconds you on your iPhone again. Okay, you can see sometime it can take very long. Now we on our both Apple devices, and we're going to see. Okay, once start, we press, we see what happened. I'm trying to make as easy as possible for everyone. One iPhone time pop-ups on the top left corner I make. Second one, setup manual, it goes straight to data privacy. You see how easily we get our iPhone iCloud unlock with simple step. It takes long, it takes sometimes, as I said, not more than 20 minutes. You must restart and to go and see if everything is okay. So don't forget to like this video. I really appreciate your support, and both iPhones are ready to go. If you do not understand anything, write down in comment section and I'm here to help you. Thank you for watching. Until next, take care.